Dear friends, this is Shenyang, a bariton from China. I'm looking forward to have my recital tour in London, Cardiff, and Glasgow in the new year of Rabbit. This program generally is about a journey of Tang poetry. As we know, one of the most famous pieces from classical music repertoire is das Flwyddyn Newydd, the Song of Earth, which composed by Gustav Mahler more than 100 years ago. And we all know that it's based on the Tang poetry, translated, or we call interpreted, by Hans Bittger. Actually, Hans Bittger wasn't an expert of a Chinese language, but he learned from other translations, which can be adopted from different sources. But in this recital, I'll present you Hans Bittger translation songs composed after Mahler or during Mahler's era. But there are some other great translations, such like Herbert Giles, Arthur Waley, and many other great translators. But also there are many great composers songs based on that. But what I care about this program is, and also it's a reason why I bring to you, because I think the Chinese literature, especially poetry or the poetry from Tang dynasty, it has already connected between China to the world, or China to UK, China to many, many countries around the world, even without knowing. Because I think the great art, the great literature, or great poem can speak by itself. I think long time ago, when people read about a Chinese poem, and people get some different feelings. People had kind of a passion to compose something for that. I think that's why we have so many great songs, great music. So in this recital, I have more than 20 composers and 7 languages songs for the audience in the UK. And especially, very fortunately, I have invited one of my respected scholar, Michael Wood, who has produced many great documentaries about China, about the history of human being, of everything. He's very knowledgeable, but I think most important thing is about he has a very beautiful soul with depth. And also I have my friend, a great pianist, Simon Lepper, who's gonna play with me. So I'm very much looking forward to sing for all of you. And especially during this New Year's time, I have another event, which is a Buddha Passion composed by Tan Dun. And also, I think all of them, they're also collaborative with China Embassy in UK. And thanks for all the support. And I think it's a great time to celebrate together, to share great art, great music, and a beautiful life together. Happy Chinese New Year, and very much looking forward to see all of you